I'm here working on the Dart again, and well, I had to do the job twice. I accidentally put undercoating in the engine bay, which was actually made out of rubber. Horrible. Then I got some rust reformer, and I didn't finish doing the engine bay, so I had to go back and get some rusty metal primer because they didn't have any more of the reformer, which is currently why it's in two different colors. You can see where it sort of ran out on that side, and this side is pretty clean. I'm hoping to get to the engine today. That is my goal, so I could start disassembling this, see what I need, because I already got the gaskets. I got freeze plugs. I don't know if I'll need anything else. I want to make sure that this engine is good. I won't have any problems with it, but gotta take it apart, make sure that it's healthy. I also had to do some welding on this. You can see where I used a body filler just so I could shape it back to what it used to be. I didn't do that good of a job right there. There were little rust holes. They didn't go all the way through, but I didn't do a very good job covering them. I did start degreasing the suspension a bit, but I didn't get too far. I took off the brake master cylinder and, well, just continuing. So here it is, all painted. I'm still waiting for it to dry, but you can see the color. The sun. I went with the semi-gloss. Hopefully that comes out okay. I think it looks nice. I definitely like the way it came out, but there are some areas where it didn't do so well. As you can see the reflection. Yeah. And while this was drying, I also painted this. This I'm actually not too happy with. It's a flat black. I went with that over there. It's for 2000 degrees. I don't like it. I just don't like it. So that was a hit and a miss. I'm glad I did not use that on my engine bay. You know what? Let me put them side by side. Right there, side by side, you can see the difference. I'm not too happy about it. Let me move it around just so you get a better idea. I can only move so far, damn it. It's a bigger difference in person than there is on camera. Oh well. Got some dust on it. I've actually changed my mind about the engine. I'm gonna do this off camera for two reasons. One, it's easier to do it off camera, and two, I kinda wanna see it spill all over the place. I think that'd be fun. Messy, I'd be angry at midnight, but it'd be fun. Yep. As soon as I lifted it up. I'm actually... Is that coolant or... The red is supposed to be transmission. That's oil and that's coolant? Okay. So it still had water in the block even after all these years? I don't think I mentioned why I started cleaning the engine, but this is why. I'm not sure what to do about that. And well, since I don't know what to do, I just started cleaning. Am I gonna need a new head? I mean, it's part of it. I don't think I can rebuild something like this. So right now I'm just stuck. My beard's frozen? Oh god. Oh. Anyways, I didn't plan on cleaning the engine today, but that's what ended up happening. There's nothing I could really do because I didn't plan on that being broken. I did try to take it out, but I couldn't get the nuts off. Where is it? Right there. I put some pressure, it's just not moving. So I'm not exactly sure what to do. I might get a new head tomorrow. Go to the junkyard. There was a 64 Dart, I believe, and a Jeep that had the slant 6. But that was about a month ago. Hopefully they're still there, so I can pull the head off, because that's all I really need. I don't know. It cleaned up nice though. You can see the original colors. I actually bought cans. I wanted to make it orange. Still working on that. And let me get the light. This side actually doesn't have that much paint. I don't know why. Oh, actually I do know why. This is the side that was facing up. You can see that's where the both manifolds go, the intake and the exhaust. So that's what happened. A lot of the paint just came off completely, or it didn't have any at all. that top had no paint whatsoever. At the bottom, it flaked off a little bit. Battery died, so I got cut off. Anyways, I'm ending the video because I got to clean up all this. Yep, all that is rust. I did get to finish the engine bay, which was the major goal for today. So that's pretty much it. Just gonna take the tape off, clean, and I might film tomorrow if I go to the junkyard and try to pick up the head. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you next time.